global leader in neuropsychologist training. The University of Haifa's clinical neuropsychology program is one of only 2 Israeli programs that offer training with a clinician-scientist model in mind.
My basic research interest is how the brain processes emotion. We investigate using functional MRI imaging, studies with patients with lesions. We examine how they understand emotion, how people recognize emotion, how people recognize facial expression.
The clinical neuropsychology program brings together students from all over Israel who share an interest in neuroscience.
Studies with healthy individuals who come and help us understand how they remember their past or feel anger, sadness, and empathy. We study people with difficulties, people who suffer from autism or Asperger's syndrome.
The success of this new program is recognized nationally and internationally and is an important first step in preparing for one of the most rewarding careers.
When I'm trying to examine if oxytocin can be used as a drug to improve symptoms of several psychiatric disorders such as autism, social phobia, schizophrenia.
Graduates of the University of Haifa's Clinical Psychology and Human Cognitive Neuroscience program are hailed for their extensive knowledge and comprehensive clinical training and are welcomed at all leading hospitals and treatment centers around the world.